Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Ubisoft services are not available at this time error when play XDefiant. Method 1. Check server status. Before troubleshooting issues with a connection to one of the games, check if there is any ongoing outages for your game on Ubisoft Help. Please, visit link in description. Alternatively, you can also visit the game's official Twitter page and see if there are any announcements about server issues. Method 2. Restart the game and the system. This is arguably the most basic method, applicable on any game and on any device. It is worth trying before starting other complicated methods. If after reboot the problem still occurs, then disable IPv6 and using Google DNS. To do this, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Scroll down and uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP, IPv6, to disable it. Click OK. Relaunching XDefiant and see if the connection error is resolved. If the error still appears, one more time, press Windows key R, then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option. On preferred DNS server, input 8888. On alternate DNS server, input 8844. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, go to XDefiant and see if problem is fixed. Method 4. Temporarily disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software. Antivirus software usually blocks third-party applications or games from running on your system. On the other hand, when you try to update your games or application, the antivirus may cause conflict. Antivirus software or Firewall blocks the access of the application, so it is better to disable it. So, it is recommended to turn off your antivirus software to prevent any errors or bugs. Method 5. Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Press Windows key, then type Firewall. Now, select Allow an app through Windows Firewall on the results. Click on Change Settings. Scroll down until you see USF7 app. You need tick on checkbox on Private and Public. In case you can't find it, then click on Allow another app. Select Browse. Go to the game install location. Select USF7 application. Click Open. Click Add. Next, tick on checkbox on Private and Public. Do same thing on Launcher B and USF7B application. Once done, click OK. Relaunching XDefiant and see if the connection error goes away. Method 6. Verify files. Open Ubisoft Connect. Select XDefiant Game. Select Properties. Now, on Local Files section, select Verify Files. Once done, relaunching XDefiant and see if the connection issue is fixed. Method 7. Clear DNS cache on the PC. On your keyboard, press Windows key then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, register DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig, release and press Enter. Type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. Final, restart your PC and check if the connection issue is resolved. Method 8. Clear cache on the router. To do this, please visit the video linked in the description to see how. Method 9. Make sure your computer has the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++ installed. Please visit this site by click link in description. After that, download all 3 versions, 2015, 2012 and 2010. You will need to download both architecture x64 and x86. After the download is complete, please install the files you just downloaded one by one. Once done, restart the computer and relaunching XDefiant and see if the connection issue is fixed. That's it guys, hope this is helpful.